Hello, guys and girls. So I just want to do a quick market review of yesterday's trades I took. I actually filmed it yesterday live as I was trading, but I'm not going to upload that one. It was pre-recorded live, but I had skin needling done yesterday and my face was super red. So it wasn't camera material, still really red today, but it's a lot less than yesterday. So anyway, so let's go over yesterday's trade. So you can see here, this was the trade I took. I'll change that in a minute because it was a 1.77 risk to reward. It wasn't a 2.48. So I got in after the liquidity grab, which was this candle here on the 15 minutes. So I got in on the 1 minute. So we'll just go back and we'll have a look. Okay, so here we are. Right, so I got in on the 1 minute. Hang on, is this correct? Tuesday, yes. All right, perfect. So this was the liquidity grab up here. We had the liquidity grab. That liquidity grab has left liquidity up there, which we have already taken out over here. Anyway, so I got in on this bearish chop here. So I got in here. I got in on the first FVG, which was above the chop here. And you can see I was filled with this wick. So I targeted 1.77 on this trade. So we'll just reduce this about there. There we go. So yeah, I targeted 1.77. It was actually, this must have moved. Anyway, it was around this low here where this liquidity was, and it was 1.77 from my entry. So my stop loss was a lot more reduced. So hang on, because 1.77 was at the bottom of that range. Let's see now. Let's hang on if it's lining up. Yep. Anyway, that's what it was. I targeted the bottom of this range. I targeted the nearest liquidity, which was resting here. So it was a quick short trade. I could have got 2R, as you can see. It melted down further, which we like to see. I always say that, you know, like what ICT says, to it and through it with liquidity. So I went to it and through it yesterday. So that was a really good trade, fairly quick, as you can see. So yeah, I was really happy with that. And when you see this, which is what I saw yesterday, the further breaker structure and FVGs being created, I then trailed my stop loss. So my stop loss did get moved to break even yesterday, but luckily I didn't get hit. I took profit on that trade. So looking at today, what are we looking at? It is 12 o'clock. So the Asia range has stopped printing. So we're within the Asia range at the moment. So really, I'll be setting an alert up here, and then I'll be setting an alert down here, and I will be keeping an eye on that today and seeing, okay, where is our liquidity going to be taken? We have liquidity resting above. Nothing too substantial below, but, you know, obviously there's always liquidity resting below this. So and you can see what we've got, you know, we've got liquidity down here even. So look, there's liquidity there definitely to be taken. So we'll see what happens today, whether we get a buy or a sell. We're not too sure yet. I'm just waiting on that liquidity to be taken and then going from there to what direction I'm trading in. So yeah, that was just a quick market review. Hope you're having a great week and hopefully we get a good trade today on NASDAQ.